We have incredible and effective method for achieving success on Quotex, using the powerful combination of the Awesome Oscillator and the Keltner Channel. This strategy will provide you with an exceptional success rate, especially when you approach your trades with the necessary caution and alertness. It is essential to stay tuned because we are here to guide you through the steps to become consistently profitable, particularly in the 30-second durations on OTC currencies. First of all, let's attach the Keltner channel and adjust its ATR period into 10, EMA period into 20. With a multiplier of 3. Then, let's attach our primary indicator, the Awesome Oscillator, with a period short of 7, period long of 50, with an opacity of 100. This will help us succeed with our trading method. Make sure to have 5 seconds candle time frame, with a trading duration of 30 seconds. I will show you on how to trade using these two combined indicators. A good trading spot here, with our Awesome Oscillator, have consecutive red candle bars going down at the middle spot of our Awesome Oscillator. Our trend bar here is at the middle of our Keltner channel going down. We will trade only if the trend is at the middle of the Keltner channel. Don't trade if it is on the uppermost or lowermost bands. We got good trading results. Let's trade with another currency pair. The trend here goes uptrend, but we will disregard this and we will trade with our method. Since the trend is close at the uppermost band of the Keltner channel, let's trade with other trading currencies. A good trading situation here. The trend goes along for downtrend, with its smoothing, and it is with the middle spot of our Awesome Oscillator. Also for our Keltner channel, it is in the middle and a high chance for the trend to go down for the next 30 seconds. Let's trade going down on it. See the rest of the videos and don't forget to follow us to get latest methods trading with Quotex and other trading brokers.